The Congress on Wednesday cited a media report which claimed that at least 20 newly incorporated firms purchased electoral bonds worth about Rs 103 crore, as it alleged that the Narendra Modi government's scheme deliberately muddied the waters of corporate political donations. Hamas, on 9 April, said Israel's proposal that it received from Qatari and Egyptian mediators did not meet any of the demands of Palestinian factions. However, the group added in a statement it would study the proposal, which it described as intransigent, and deliver its response to the mediators. India's economy is likely not doing as well as recent GDP numbers indicate, and a growth slowdown is likely in the coming quarters as consumption demand gets cramped by household savings at near all-time lows, global country risk research company BMI said on Tuesday. States and union territories are to submit data on heat stroke cases and deaths, emergency attendance and total deaths on the Integrated Health Information Portal while undertaking an investigation of suspected heat-related illness death, said an advisory issued by the National Center for Disease Control for State Health Department on heatwave season 2024. Similarly, in September 2021, India faced a stockout of MDR-TB drug Delamanid. Delay in diagnosis and treatment initiation are already a huge concern in the TB care cascade. Patients who start therapy but fail to achieve treatment success is another gap. However, addressing this gap, which takes drug availability for granted, will become harder if drug stockouts become a recurring issue. The Indian steel industry has expressed concern over India becoming a net importer of steel in 2023 to 2024, saying it is a warning signal for the country which strives to become Atmanirbhar. The monsoon is likely to be 103% of the long period average this year. The LPA refers to the average all India monsoon rainfall of 88 cm, which is a 50-year mean. The odds of an El Nino, characterized by a heating of the equatorial Central Pacific over half a degree, are low this year. Currently, the Pacific is in a La Nina mode.